Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I truly enjoy decorating my home. For me, it's a way to be creative and express my personality, and that's why I love this decorative tray from Soul Mama. This is truly a beautiful and unique piece of home decor that you can use in a wide variety of ways. This is beautiful, styled on a shelf, upright and layered with other pieces of decor, maybe even on a fireplace mantle. You could also lay it flat and put coasters, plants, things like that on it, or you could use it as a jewelry tray on your dresser. But I love this design. The arch ripples give it such a beautiful texture. And I believe having items in your home layered with texture really enhances your home decor. So if you're looking for beautiful design elements to add to your home and make it uniquely you, this decorative tray from Soul Mama is perfect. And that's my point of view.